Sensors are used in almost every system to provide conditions such as part presence, temperature, color, pressure, and more. Whether developing, installing, or troubleshooting systems, understanding the operation, connection, and function of common sensors is a valued skill. The SensoTrainer-200 from SMC provides an interactive hardware solution designed to teach the principles of industrial sensors. The training platform and guided curriculum are developed with a focus on industry standards. The flexible design allows for easy mounting and testing of various sensor settings. Hands-on activities cover both digital and analog sensors and can be expanded to include smart sensor technology. The system also allows interfacing with other equipment, providing even more training opportunities. Let's take a closer look at the features and functions of the SensoTrainer-200. It is available in portable suitcase or tabletop form factors. It covers both digital and analog components. It can be expanded to include smart sensors via IO-Link and standard communication protocols such as Ethernet IP, Profinet, and ASI bus. The SensoTrainer has an optional Bluetooth adapter for monitoring signals on personal devices. It includes all devices required for activities with integrated storage solution. It offers fast connection of circuits via banana jack or terminal blocks. It has easy connection and flexibility for changing position and orientation to explore how the signal is performing. The SensoTrainer includes 11 of the most common sensors used throughout industry: proximity sensors, photo sensors, fiber optic sensors, ultrasonic sensors, and laser distance sensors. From a learner perspective, students like the simple design and the easy-to-follow hands-on activities that are paired with the learning modules in the following curriculum: proximity sensors, pressure sensors, temperature sensors, photo sensors, smart IO-Link sensors, influence of materials, influence of distance, and influence of orientation. The SensoTrainer-200 is portable and easy to transport, providing real-world training opportunities. The curriculum can be enhanced with the option of SMC's digital e-learning library, along with full simulation of activities available through AutoSim software. As the global leader in automation, our training equipment and hands-on activities have been developed to meet industry standards. You can learn more about the equipment, review curriculum specifications, and configure products at smctraining.com.